grew up with the park. I grew up around the park, and so it has an intrinsic sort of nostalgic value, but you know, it's a beautiful place to run. It's comfortable, there's some sun, there's plenty of shade. It's just a place that feels comfortable, it feels loved.
The path is pretty smooth now, but a repavement would help it.
I think any improvements that you make to draw more people here who will care about it and help take care of it, the better.
It's the best free workout spot you can get.